Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add some custom fonts to your Shopify store in 2024. So today we're going to guide you through the process of adding a custom fonts. Custom fonts can give your store a unique look and feel, enhancing your brand identity, refreshing your site, and even improving the overall user experience. So let's dive into the steps to add your custom font to your Shopify store and let's get started. Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and choose first of all a custom font that you want to use in your Shopify store. You can find, of course, some custom fonts on various platforms like Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, or the one that I'm using. Of course, first of all, open the browser. Here I'm using Brave, or you can use whatever you want. As an example, I'll just go here to the URL center, just type custom maybe fonts as example, hit the enter button. Normally I use this the fonts. It looks a bit old, but it's the one that I used to use like years ago, so I stick on using it. So, an example here, you have a lot of fonts that you can check from, like example, fancy, cartoon, groovy, comic, old school, whatever suits you. So maybe as an example, just go here, maybe to comic, why not? And let's say I like this one. So I'll basically just go and click on, of course, download. As you can see, it's free for personal use. So I'll just go and click on download. As you can see, they will give me a zip file. So I'll just go and download that. Now, I'll basically just go, of course, for you, you'll have to do the same. Just select the custom font that you want to download the font file. And these files are typically common format. So for me at the moment, it is like something like this. So it's this. I'll just go here. Oh, sorry, not open terminal. Sorry. So I'll just go here and click on show more options. Okay, it did not get selected. So yeah, when RAR extracts here, that's what I want. So I'll just go and delete that. So it comes in format like this, TTF. This is what we want, not the info. So the info is just something useless. So you can actually just delete it, and yeah, you have this file right here, which what we will need. So basically, now you will have to go and open Shopify. So go to the URL section again, type shopify.com. Make sure to log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't, go and click on Start Free Trial to create a new account. From there, I'll click on Login. Of course, you can use Google, or if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. If you just created your account, you'll have to create a store also. And this should be very easy, especially, of course, you'll basically have to answer some questions. If you don't want to answer them, you can click on skip all and your store should be created. So once you are here, as you can see, this is going to be your store. As I said, once you download your custom fonts, it's time to upload your custom fonts. So to do so, as an example here, if we go to our online store, as an example, so let me just wait in here. So if you click or here on customize as an example, we can go to whatever we want, or basically just go here to this option on the slice panels, theme settings, and here typography. As an example, here we'll find the fonts. So if you click on change, as an example, we'll find here some fonts, a lot of fonts in here. As you can see, you can check from a lot of fonts. So if you keep scrolling, it seems like it's never ending. So I'll just go and keep scrolling here to show you how many fonts like already Shopify have. So normally you wouldn't need more fonts. As you can see, a lot of them. So those all the fonts that you have. So there's system and other fonts, like a lot of them. But for us, as we said, we will need to upload, or we want to upload our own fonts. So it seems like there's no button to upload any fonts. So what should you do? Basically, if we go back here, so just go and open another tab. So let's this one in here. And if we go to online store right here, then we go to themes, of course. And here, basically, you'll be able to find the theme that you're using, which is, as example, this one. And here, as example, all we need to do is simply go and click on edit code. As example, here you'll be able to edit the code of the theme that you're using. So in here, make sure to look for, of course, in the assets like folder, like right here, you'll need to look. So let me just go and close those out. Yeah, in the assets folder, basically, you'll need to look for something called theme.scss.liquid. So let me just go and look for that as an example. So it should start with T, so it should be at the bottom. And it should be somewhere right here. So theme dot something. Okay, maybe we just get into somewhere else. Of course, or I can just use this. Why not? So theme. Okay, so there's no file like that. What about the second option? So theme right here. Yeah, I don't want that. So just go and delete that right here. So there's just this theme editor .gx. So it should there's a theme .scss or theme .sss. If it doesn't exist, you may of course need to create a new CSS file and open the file and add of course the add font face rule and include your custom fonts using the URLs that you have earlier example. So let me just go here. So add a new assets, and you can simply just upload a new file, of course, or create a blank file. Extension should be CSS, and you can name it as example like theme. Click on OK or done. And here, of course, you can simply just go copy, add your code example, and your custom font's name should be here. For example, I'll just name it here test example. Make sure to add your assets URL. If exactly want to know how, you can simply just go as example. Of course, you can even preview your store with it, how it's going to look like if you save an extra. And basically, if you even get loss, you can simply use their AI tool. This will help you out as example. So let me just go here and let me just show you an example. I'll just click on this learn more example so we can take here. So example here, you can just ask how to upload my custom font, and basically you can follow a full article that they will show you as examples of finding resources. So as you can see, it doesn't support direct font upload just from here. So you'll need to do is basically on the theme editor and add your phone on using custom CSS and hosting font files externally. So basically, you'll have to add them here as example like this with just changing your assets URL, and you should be good to go. Of course, you can even change the format depending on the format that you downloaded first, like TFF. It should be TFF, depending on the format that you downloaded. So that should be it, basically. Of course, you can simply add after that the body, the H's, and etc. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.